In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Assassin's Creed Unity online on the PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up the online mode for Assassin's Creed Unity and why you cannot access online sometimes. So first, if you have tried to go into online, you might have noticed that most of the times the servers just don't work and you don't get matched up. So, in order to fix this, first go over to the Ubisoft website. You need a Ubisoft account to play any Ubisoft titles, with Assassin's Creed Unity being no exception. All that you have to do here is go over to your account, so make sure that you sign in using your account credentials, and then go over to the account management page. When you go over to account management, you will be redirected to this website, account.ubisoft.com, and in here you have to select, as you can see, account information. Once you choose account information, you will scroll down and find linked accounts. What you have to do here is actually unlink the PlayStation Network account that you have. This might seem counterintuitive, but for some reason, if you have a link established between your Ubisoft account and your PlayStation Network account, you will not be able to use online. It is super weird, but a lot of people have reported that as soon as they got rid of this link, they were able to go into online. So click unlink. As you can see, for me, it says link because I haven't actually established the connection, but all you have to do is select unlink. Once this is done, you can go back inside of the game, and in there you will be able to connect into online. You can invite players when you pause the game and you choose the option to go into online, or you can go over to any mission and be matched up against random people. Keep in mind that there is no guarantee that this is actually going to work because the servers are extremely old and extremely glitchy. However, this is a way to make sure that you have the highest possible chances of getting it to work, so I recommend that you try this first. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Assassin's Creed Unity Online PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.